Hello, boys and girls. I hope everybody's doing well and that yesterday um, wasn't so stressful. So I just wanted to mention that today you will be, or you should have already completed your spelling test with the replacement. And you should have filled out the 20 words directly on Shobi so that I can actually correct it. So thank you for doing that. After your spelling test, boys and girls, if you have not finished your writing ant activity, this is the time to do it. Okay. Following your ant activity, Ms. Vitali has the October 6th folder, which you guys should already be in it. It has the word work worksheets that if you have not already completed them, you can actually do. I've also asked you to complete sections B.1 and B.2 in iExcel. Rather than going on to Raz Kids after you finish your ANT activity, word work activity, and iExcel, if you finish everything, well, then you guys have access to this worksheet right here, which is called Helping Others. It is fairly simple, boys and girls. Just click it right now. Hopefully I can get it. Oh, there we go. You just have to look at the picture. There are 6 pages. You have to look at the picture directly, and then afterwards you have to tell me what is right or what is wrong about this picture and how they feel, how they might not feel by completing each of the sentences, that you guys see below. So for example, in this picture it says that Serena knocked the books out of Riley's hand. Riley might feel. So explain to me how Riley might feel by having the books knocked out of the hand. I can tell because, how can you tell how Riley might feel? Does she feel upset? Does she feel happy? What does she feel? Riley might feel better if I said, what could you say to make the situation better? Okay. Each worksheet is done, very similarly to the first. There's a picture, there's an explanation of the picture, and then you have to describe how the people in the picture might feel. Okay, so this is to be done only if you finish your ANT activity, only if you finish iExcel section B.1, B.2, and then finally if you finish the word work worksheets, 3 worksheets in Shobi, then you can go on to the Helping Others activity. If you finish that, then you know what to do. It's on Raz Kids for individual reading. So good job today. Good job yesterday. I know that you guys worked so productively yesterday as well. So thank you so much for being awesome. And I can't wait to see how good you guys do on your spelling tests. Okay? So have a wonderful day and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye-bye.